Today, we're going to talk about the Philippine Clean Water Act of 2004, also known as RA 9275. Let us discuss first what is RA 9275. It is an act providing for comprehensive water quality management and other purposes. It was signed by former President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, enacted on March 22, 2004, published on April 21, 2004. Took effect on May 6, 2004. Implementing rules and regulation contained in the Department of Environment and Natural Resources or DENR Administrative Order number 2005-10. What are the objectives of RA 9275? To develop and implement a national program for protection, preservation, and revival of the quality of the countries. For example, dispose of harmful material properly. Second, maintain your septic system. To protect the country's water bodies from pollution from land-based resources or sources. To provide comprehensive and integrated strategy to prevent the minimize pollution and through multi-sectoral and participation approach involving will stakeholders. Section 3, Article 1 of RA 9275. Water quality management in all water bodies, abandonment and control of pollution from land-based resources. Second, water regulation quality standards and civil liability and penal provisions. Enforce respective sources of pollution. Designation of water management area as of 2016, EMB has designated 31 water quality management and area all over the country. Establish and effect water quality surveillance and monetary network. Keep their water quality within the water quality guidelines or criteria conforming to the water bodies classification or even improve the quality to higher classifications. Next, the definition of terms of RA 9275 Section 4. Aquifer means a layer of water breaking rock located underground that transmits water in sufficient quantity to supply pumping wells or natural springs. Second, aquatic life means all organisms living in fresh waters, brackish and marine environments. Third, beneficial use means the use of the environment or any element of segment thereof conducive to public or private welfare, safety and health, and shall include but not be limited to the use of water for domestic, municipal, irrigation, power generation, fisheries, livestock raising, industrial, recreational, and other purposes. Use of water for domestic purposes means to utilization of water for drinking, washing, bathing, cooking of or other household needs, home, gardens, and watering for lawns and domestic animals. Second, use of water for municipal purposes means the utilization of water for supplying water requirements of the community. Pangatlo, use of water for irrigation means to utilization of water for producing agricultural crops. Pangapat, use of water for power generation means the utilization of water for producing electrical or mechanical power. Use of water for fisheries means utilization of water for the propagation of culture of fish as a commercial enterprise. Pang-anim, use of water for livestock raising. Means to the utilization of water for large herds or flocks of animals raised or commercial enterprise. Use of water for industrial purposes means the utilization of water factories, industrial plants, and mines, including the use of water as an ingredient of a finished product, and use of water for recreational purposes means the utilization of water for swimming pools, bath, houses, boating, skiing, golf courses, and other similar facilities in resorts and other places of recreation. The classifications of the Philippine water means categorization of all water bodies taking into account among others the following: first, existing quality of the body water; second, size, depth, surface area covered, volume, direction, rate of flow, and gradient of stream; third, most beneficial existing and future use of said bodies of waterlands, bordering them, such as for residential, agricultural, aquacultural, commercial, industrial, navigational, and recreational, wildlife conservation, and aesthetic purposes. And fourth, vulnerability vulnerability of surface and groundwater to contaminate from pollutive and hazardous waste, agricultural chemicals, and underground storage tanks of uh, petroleum products. Section 13 of 9275, Water Pollution Permits and Charges. Wastewater charge system. Collection of wastewater charges fees in Laguna, Lake, regional and regional industrial centers. Strong economic investment for polluters to modify their production or management processes, to invest in pollution control technology in order to reduce the amount of water pollutants generated, covered the cost of administering water quality management or improvement programs. Next, cost of rehabilitation, and the fee will be according to the type of pollutant. Classification of receiving water body. Other special attributes of the water body. The fee shall be based on net waste load depending on the wastewater charge formula, shall be established with due public consultation within 6 months from the effectivity of this act. Industries whose water effluent are within standard shall only be changed with a minimal reasonable amount.
22 of RA 9275. The department and concerned attached agencies. First is the Philippine Coast Guard. Enforcement of water quality standards in marine waters, specifically from offshore source. Next, the DPWH. Provision of sewerage and sanitation facilities and the efficient and safe collection, treatment, and disposal of sewage. Next, Department of Agriculture. Develop guidelines for reuse of water or wastewater for irrigation purposes or as soil conditioner or fertilizer. Next is the BFAR. Prevention and control of water pollution for the development, management, and conservation of the fisheries and aquatic resources. Next is the DOH. Promulgation, revision, and enforcement of drinking water quality standards. Next is DOST. Prepare a program for the evaluation, verification, development, and public dissemination of pollution prevention and cleaner production technologies. And last is the DepEd or Department of Education, CHED or Commission on Higher Education, and Philippine Information Agencies, responsible for preparation and implementation of a comprehensive program pursuant to the objectives of this Act. RA 9275, Article 5, Section 27, Civil Liability, Penal Provision, and Prohibited Acts. Operating facilities that discharge regulated water pollutants without the valid required permits or after the permit was revoked for any violation of any condition therein. Disposal of potentially infectious medical waste into seawater by vessels unless the health or safety of individuals on board the vessel is threatened by a great and imminent peril. Unauthorized transport or dumping into seawater of sewage, sludge, or solid waste as defined under Republic Act No. 9003. Transport, dumping, or discharge of prohibited chemicals, substances, or pollutants listed under Republic Act No. 6969. Refusal to allow entry, inspection, and monitoring by the Department. Refusal to allow access by the Department to relevant reports and records. Refusal or failure to designate pollution control officers whenever required by the Department. Directly using boosters pumps in the distribution system or tampering with the water supply in such a way as to alter or impair the water quality. RA 9275, Article 5, Section 28, Civil Liability, Penal Provision, Fines, Damages, and Penalties. Violation of the provision. Fined by the Secretary upon the recommendation of the Board. Fine not less than 10,000 pesos nor more than 200,000 pesos for every day of violation, increased by 10% every 2 years to compensate for inflation and to maintain the different function of such fines. Failure to undertake cleanup operation willfully or through gross negligence. Imprisonment not less than 2 years and not more than 4 years. Fine not less than 50,000 pesos and not more than 100,000 pesos per day for each day of violation. If it will result in serious injury or loss of life and or irreversible water contamination of surface ground, coastal and marine water. Imprisonment not less than 6 years and 1 day and not more than 12 years. Fine 500,000 pesos per day for each during which the omission and or contamination continues. Thank you.